Good evening, guys. I know I did not post Friday, so we'll go ahead and go over that. And then beyond that, I have some pretty cool stuff that I've been working on that I'm excited to show you guys, which are some new indicators. So we will go ahead and go over those soon, but I want to go over Friday's price action first. Friday's price action was actually pretty sweet. I ended up going to class, so I couldn't trade this. But right towards the end of New York AM session, all of our time frames were bullish, and this was supposed to be the Judas low here. I know it was marked here, but that's just because the Judas low was late, and it's simple, typical as always, Friday price action. But we got this here, which made an SMT with ES because ES took out this London low, which made for pretty ideal price action because then if you look right down here, we have a super ideal setup. We have a market structure shift right here. And then a rejection block right here. And then we have a order block right here that line up. I don't have anything for the rejection block right now. No, wait, that's a breaker block. Sorry. Rejection block would be down here, which we may have also had, actually. Allow me to check. We did. Wow. Rejection block down here, breaker block right here, and order block right here. This would have been a perfect entry, minimal drawdown, pretty ideal setup. And then it didn't expand to where I wanted it to expand. I would have wanted to take it up to this high up here, which I don't know why that's so thick. No, I want those thick. Anyways, I'll figure that out later. I'm just going to change the thickness of that previous day high line. I don't like how high it is, but it might be because it's two lines, because it's previous week high and previous day high. But I would have been targeting these equal highs would have been like a ideal take profit in terms of like if I was trying to be conservative, but that would have been like just short of 600 ticks, which we would have taken profit, but I wanted to see this previous day or this high of the day get taken out. That's what I was interested in. So I would have been stopped out somewhere in here had I taken that trade. But yeah, just wanted to throw that out there. But I was busy, so I didn't take that trade. But more importantly, I wanted to show you guys what I've been working on. I saw that some people have been trading quarter theory, so let me know if this is wrong. But I've been doing some quarter theory research, and I currently have it set so that every day it opens at midnight, and then it has 22.5 minute intervals splitting a 90-minute interval. So from like 6 to 7:30, it opens at midnight all the way back here, and it comes in 6-hour intervals. 0 to 6. 6-hour intervals, and then with this indicator, no, not this one. This one, it gives you our true session open or true micro session open. So the true session open is the 6-hour window. The true micro session open is I think this is the 90-minute window, right? Yeah, this is a 90-minute window. Currently it goes from 53 to 22 and a half, and then from 22 and a half to 53. The reason it's that is I was just looking around, and it said that the true microstructure open happens at the second quarter of, so like you see that these are all split into 4 quarters, these hour-and-a-half long sessions. Well, it said that it's the second quarter that then you take over to the first quarter, and then or to the end of the first quarter, start of the second quarter, and then from the second quarter out to the start of the second quarter, end of the first quarter again. Let me know if that's wrong, but that's how I was looking at it. But yeah, no, I've been working on that. True session open, true daily open, and then I also have true weekly open in here. So there's true yearly open, true monthly open, and then there's true weekly open as well. Our truly weekly open from last week is here, and then it'll update tomorrow morning for Monday morning open. But yeah, so if you guys have any input, let me know. But otherwise, yeah, that's that. And then I want to show you guys this that I've been working on, is this ICT for value gap setup. Now, the reason that this is set up the way it is it's subject to whatever time frame you're looking at. So if you're looking at the 1 minute, you're going to get 1 minute fair value gaps. If you're looking at the 15-second, you're going to get 15-second fair value gaps, and so on. But the reason that there's obviously way more fair value gaps in here than is actually showing is I only believe a fair value gap is validated if it has a swing high or a swing low right behind it. So basically the logic that I put it through that I coded up here is it looks back behind the fair value gap a certain amount of bars, which is what this is, and then it asks how many bars on either side to consider to swing high or swing low, and I think one is fine. But it looks back a certain number of bars, and we get a swing high right here. So this is validated over here. There's a swing high right here, which falls in the range of this fair value gap. So that's a valid fair value gap. Same thing right here. There's a swing high right there. Same thing with this. The reason that this is considered valid, the reason it's gray is because it's been filled, but the reason it's considered valid is because there is a swing high back here. So that's how I have it coded currently. So like if there's a swing of price action here and then a swing high, it still counts it. And you can make it more strict or more lenient as it goes on. But yeah, no, I thought that was really cool, and I figured I'd share that with you guys. It gets pretty accurate. I use the 15-second. That's just what I use. But I want to show you guys something cool. Was this retrace right here is perfectly into a fair value gap. And then there was this retrace on Thursday, which was kind of cool. This down here it like perfectly filled this fair value gap, like literally to the tick. If you look at this down here, it literally filled the entire fair value gap to the tick on Thursday. And I don't typically trade Fridays, but Thursdays I typically trade. And it traded this beautifully. I mean, it literally filled the fair value gap perfectly. And then it had a market structure shift, and then we returned to an order block. I mean, it was overall a really great entry. And so I figured share that with you guys. I will be posting a lot of these on the Whop coming soon. But I'm also working on the possibility, not totally sure, of an order block indicator, a breaker block indicator, and a rejection block indicator, all of which I think are really cool. But you can't mark every order block on a chart. Otherwise, I posted a picture on X of the indicator I was looking for, which marked order blocks, breaker blocks, and rejection blocks, and it just looked like a blue and orange rainbow, and it was not awesome. So I pretty much dissected that into 3 different pieces, and so I'm currently working on order block, breaker block, and rejection blocks separately, and I'm going to try to specify how I want those to show up so we can get them to look as precise as possible in the times that are necessary, which would be during high time frame swings like this. So you're looking for order blocks during a certain time period in the morning. It would probably primarily be for New York AM session, but I'd set a setting for New York PM session if you want to have that on. It's kind of what I'm thinking right now. Obviously, the plans are subject to change, but if you guys are interested in that, please let me know. I think it's really cool, and I really enjoy doing this, and I enjoy getting these indicators out to you guys. So let me know what you guys think. And excuse me, getting tired. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. I've been working on these, and I think they're pretty cool. So let me know if you guys want them. But they will be available in the Whop over the next little while. I don't know how long that'll be, but the next little while. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you all enjoyed. Hope you all had a good weekend, and good luck in the coming week. It is going to be awesome. I have finals, but my finals are later than my typical classes, I think. So it should be pretty sweet. Should be an awesome week. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. Have a good one, guys. We'll see you all tomorrow morning.